curl my hair with me with Bombay Hair. The rose gold color, I think that's so cute. I've also never used this kind of curling iron. I watched the tutorials, so hopefully I do it right. I want like really loose curls, so I think that's perfect. Okay, I'm gonna finish this side and then come back. I also got this brush from them. It's so good. It takes out the knots in my hair so easily, and I feel like it barely pulls out any hair, because usually I have like a full head of hair in my hairbrushes after I brush it. I just finished. I'm in love with the curls. They're like perfectly loose, and it was so easy. I also don't feel like my hair got fried from curling it with a curling iron. It like perfectly lets you set the heat wherever you want it at, and I'm just obsessed. It looks so good. Thank you so much.